Hello and welcome to this BMS course. We are going to learn about expansion tank in BMS control application, how to control and monitor it. The training level is basic. By the way, my name is Amir, I'm a mechanics tutor and I hope to provide you nice information in this subject. So let's start. Here you can see the schematic figure of expansion tank. We need some sensors and actuators to monitor and control this system. First of all, we need the pressure transmitter to understand what is the pressure inside of expansion tank. We need the level transmitter to understand what is the level of liquid in this expansion tank. So for both of them, we need analog input. This is some analog data, and we want to transmit data to the BMS systems. Then we want to control on and off the valve of the gas, so we need digital output for that, and we need to control the liquid to fill it and remove it, so we need the digital output also for that one. So to control two solenoid valve, we need two digital outputs. So according to that one, you can consider the I/O table in BACnet controller or mechanics controller. So based on that, we need the primary controller plus I/O card. Use it in BMS hardware in BACnet or mechanics. Then, what is a pressure transmitter as a sensor? So for that one, we have the output from the sensor like 4 to 20 milliamp or 0 to 10 volts. Because of that, I told you, we need the analog input. You should go to the data sheets, understand how to wiring and place it, the position it, and so on. It's important. You can see all the data are gathered in the data sheet, like this. Also, for valve actuators, we need the valve actuator on and off, and we should know how to place it and how to wire it. Yeah, you can see for wire it, we need to provide the power for that. And also for the valve we have the valve base and valve drive. So we choose the drive and we choose the valve base according to the mechanical criteria. We should know about the direction of the fluid, and we should know about the positioning of the valve base according to the manufacturers. About the level transmitter, we can use the level transmitter to receive the 4 to 20 milliamp or 0 to 10 volts to understand what is the level of in the tank exactly. So you can see, then we can place it the valve actuators, pressure transmitter and level transmitter. So what is the principle of the expansion tank? So first of all, you should know about the HVAC fundamental. You should feel about the evaporation, superheating, melting and condensation. But keep in mind, in all the heating systems we have the expansion tank, closed or open expansion tank. So in this picture you are seeing the closed expansion tank. The heating system is a closed system. When the temperature in water is going up, so it needs more volume. This is the base. So water is in compressible liquid. So even a small increase in volume in a closed heating system will cause a significant rise in pressure, which can damage its component. The function of the expansion tank in the heating system is to absorb the excess water volume when heated and expel the volume when cooled. So in this picture, look, in the picture number 1, the system is cool, not so hot, so the pressure is low, and you can see the expansion tank. But what's happening when it's going to be heated? The temperature is going up, the pressure is rise, and in expansion tank, the water is push the gas, push the membrane, okay? Then when the system is cool, it's vice versa. So from the hot it's going to cool. So the closed heating systems can work dynamically without any problems, and this is the reason why we use the closed expansion tank or open expansion systems in the heating systems. Thank you very much for watching this session. I hope it's useful for you. If have you any questions, please let me know through the email, and I hope to see you soon.